Hi, my name is Damon CEO of loanbids.com. Today I'm going to give you a quick market update, give you an idea of where rates are going and what you can do to position yourself. So we're right here in the midst of September. The Fed is getting ready to start their rate cutting cycle, and honestly, for long-term DSCR loans, the rates have already come down. So I tell you that right now, for a reasonably good FICO score, you can get a 30-year fixed loan in the low to mid 6% range, which is amazing because, just a few months ago, we were talking sevens and eights. So low sixes. Also, it's a situation where many of the lenders have lowered their floor rates. For those of you who don't know what a floor rate is, you might have a rate quoted with a certain number of points and fees at, call it 6.25. Well, lenders will let you pay or take some of your cash out and apply it toward taking that particular interest rate lower. They call that a rate buy down. So we have lenders that will let you buy the rate down as low as a floor rate of 5%, some at 5.5%, some are still at 6%. So if you're in a situation where you're ready to refi and you want to lock in a super low rate and don't mind taking some of your equity and using that to get that rate locked in at a super low rate for 30 years, those options are available. So you can get loans with a 5% handle on them and do pretty well for the long term. That is another thing that we're starting to see a lot more of. For the last year, a lot of the work we did was purchase business. We work with folks that were doing rehabs, and then we would see the refinances when when their rehabs were done and they wanted to recycle that capital that they had in the rehab deal. But now we're starting to see folks that are really ready to start refinancing again, to get some of their cash out on properties they may have owned for 2, 3, 4, 5 years that have increased in value, and they're now seeing that the interest rates, with a six handle, maybe even, 5% range, that's attractive enough for them to say, let's go and let's get moving on those refinances. So that's kind of what we're seeing from a rate perspective. What I will also tell you is that many of the lenders that we work with on our platform, Loan Bids, getting really busy right now. So some of them, in order to control some of the volume, have raised some of their credit standards and in some cases loan amounts. We are seeing a situation where certain lenders for DSCR loans now won't do loans where a FICO score may be under 660. We also are seeing some of our fix and flip lenders that are saying, you know what, we don't really like doing those super low loan amount deals anymore, so we're going to raise our minimum loan size and our FICO score. So again, you're starting to see some changes to the availability of products, but that's our problem to work through for you. So if you would give us a chance, we can give you some amazing options right now on whether it's a fix and flip, a bridge, any kind of loan for 1 to 4 unit residential, short or long-term loan. We have really good options right now. So give us a chance for that. If you have a multifamily property, we've got some better options than we've had for the last 2 years. So we can give you some quotes on that. And then even the commercial properties. So any short or long-term loan for single family, multifamily, mixed use, or commercial, give us a shot at giving you some options on it. You won't be disappointed. Again, loanbids.com is that marketplace, that exchange where we bring together all the top private lenders for your benefit. We do the shopping for you, provide those options. If you like them, we then have an entire team that walks through the process with that lender on your side of the table and makes your life much easier. So give us an opportunity. Go to loanbids.com, take 3 minutes, and put in a loan request, or simply call us at 636-552-4710. That's 636-552-4710. Thank you, and bye for now.